Good morning everyone, hope you're well today. I have so many work things that I need to get done today, pretty much just heaps of admin, emails, invoicing, just like really boring shit. But I'm just so excited for this new place, and I'm just so excited to get all the furniture and like decide on everything. So I need to go to a cafe today and just like smash out 2 or 3 hours of work and yeah, just get back on top of everything. Also, I'm aware that I kind of left you guys on a bit of a cliffhanger 1 or 2 videos ago, so I do need to tell you what we ended up buying. A lot of you guys actually just guessed correct. We did buy a warehouse conversion apartment. Anyways, settlement is going to be in like 6.5 weeks, I think, maybe even a little bit less. Yeah, it's come up really fast actually. I don't think that we're going to move in on that exact date because we just don't have anything. When I say Nick and I need to buy everything from scratch, I'm talking everything. Like we even need to get a new washing machine, a dryer, a fridge, everything. Nick just has not a lot of stuff, so we'll probably bring some of the stuff that he does have initially, and then we'll just like you know, update it as we go along. But there are some things that we do need to order before we move in. Pretty much we need to get like the couch and the bed and the dining table organized sooner rather than later, mainly because they take like 18 to 20 weeks to come. Due to COVID at the moment, everything's just taking a really long time to actually get to Australia. And we are also thinking that we want to install some floorboards in the place as well. So it currently has like a black concrete type floor, which I actually quite like, but I just think for the kind of furniture and the kind of like vibe or like aesthetic, it sounds so silly, you know, the kind of look that I'm envisioning, I guess, I'm sort of imagining that it would look better with floorboards. I feel like we haven't had a chat while I'm doing my makeup for a while now, so it is nice to just like sit down and chat with you guys. I hope you're enjoying it as well. Anyways, I feel like this is all the makeup that I'm going to do today. I'm just going to do something with my hair, try and maybe style the frizzy bits down a little bit, get dressed, and yeah, head out. It's really cold today, so I feel like I need to wear something warm, but I also kind of feel like, wow, you just ran into some plants. Sorry about that. But I also feel like I want to wear something colourful just to like, you know, brighten up the gloomy vibes that are currently happening outside. I'm going to wear this yellow cardigan and maybe like a t-shirt or like a long sleeve top underneath or something because it's chilly. I went with yellow cardigan, white t-shirt, blue jeans, black coat, a Danola tote bag, and Grenson black platform shoes. Outfit of the day. Weekend we are going to go couch shopping. Currently just making a mood board for the couch, which I will show you guys. We want to have a relatively low couch, and we also just want to have one cushion thing, so not like a double couch, if you know what I mean. The ceilings on the apartment that we bought are really high. Windows are sort of like this, I guess, except they are floor to ceiling and they're across the whole place, but that's sort of similar idea there. So I thought a low couch and have the TV sit sort of there, and just obviously have like 1 or 2 little tables in the front. Also for the couch, we're thinking more of an L shape and have the L go on this side as you walk into the door on this side. So L there, and maybe like 1 or 2 little chairs here on this side. And yeah, that's sort of the idea. So hopefully we can find something like this weekend. You guys gave me at least 50 different places that I can go in Melbourne to try and find this dream couch on Instagram. Sorry, I look really tired right now. It's kind of getting late. I think it's like 10:30, 11. So we're probably going to hit up majority of the suggestions that you guys gave me on Instagram. So we're going to have a very busy weekend of couch shopping. And I'll obviously take you guys along with us. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. thinking we'll go more like beige.
I do like it though.
Yeah, this is definitely going to get to you, especially with you.
Excuse you.
We know what you're like when you eat. There's food everywhere.
You are just the mess. They call you that for a reason.
It's so comfortable.
Is it?
You like really sink into it.
Oh yeah. I could very much get used to this.
This is what we have.
Go upstairs.
This is a nice couch. I like how deep it is.
It's not very big though.
It's not very big. It also doesn't look that comfortable. I think we want like more of an L shape and stuff.
I think it's not what we're after. A lot of it.
Yeah, this is very trendy at the moment. We don't want to get anything too trendy because we'll get sick of it.
Very comfortable.
Is it nice?
Yeah, this couch is pretty nice.
This couch is really nice. Take a seat.
It's good like height as well.
Not that comfortable.
It's pretty comfy. It's not what I was expecting.
Oh, these little ball things. Can we get them?
No.
Please. So
Got
cool.
Got the bin there.
Should I get this as my desk?
That would be cool, but you need it. You
It's
need
way
to get
too
a look
grand.
at it from this direction.
Yeah. Is it too modern to have lights like that?
I think it just depends how we end up, what we end up doing with the rest of it.
Yeah. I just really like it. There are so many couches here. You'd think if you couldn't find a couch here, you wouldn't be able to find one anywhere, but there's a good chance I won't find a couch here. I'm fussy with the couch, I think.
Oh really? I hadn't noticed.
Hey!
Form should always follow function.
No.
That's my
Aesthetic over function, always.
interior design philosophy.
We're doing comfy and aesthetic. Never sat on one of these couches before. I feel like they're just so...
It's like getting into like a space pod.
They're just so trendy.
They're not.
They're not comfortable? That's not for me.
That's not for me.
I don't know how to sit on these.
You put your coffee just there. It's funny, isn't it? It takes a huge amount of space. It's a real statement.
It's a real statement.
You gotta have a spot
It's very
for it.
fashionable, very
Yeah.
I like this one. That's a really cool couch. Check if it's comfy. Oh, not really.
Yeah, this is not comfortable at all.
These look really comfy.
Yeah.
Try sitting on one. We could have them as our side chairs.
They are very comfortable.
Do they swivel?
Yeah. That's really fun.
This I love. This is like the perfect chair, I think.
It's pretty good. It's very firm.
Too firm.
A bit too firm.
Love. Love.
This table's quite nice.
This table is very nice. Also love. He doesn't realise. You look very chic on this couch, I have to say.
I like these little
Half table things.
yeah.
Yeah, I like this black leather chair. So trendy. So today is a Sunday and there's just like a couple more places that we want to check out for couches. Okay, so this is the couch that we feel like is potentially perfect. Yeah, I like this couch a lot.
Good, isn't it? Yeah.
This could be the one.
Yeah. Multiple options.
So we're thinking that pretty much the whole couch will be this material and this color. So the couch that I showed you before, but just this material and color. We're now at a place called Trit and we've seen this other couch. As you can see, Nick has also seen this couch. We're considering this one instead, as you can get different modules, so you can kind of make it the same shape as the last one that we really liked. The only thing with the last one that we're worried about is that potentially it's too low, whereas this one is quite a bit higher off the ground. I don't know how obvious it is to see this in video, but yeah, that's sort of our concern with the other one that we really like. So maybe this one's better, I don't know. And obviously in a different color. Okay, we've now also seen this couch and we're also thinking this might be a contender as well, but with a little bit of an L shape to it. Maybe this color, or maybe more of like a beigey kind of color. Hi guys, I'm just at Nick's house. I don't know if you can tell. Not in my kitchen anyways. I'm going to bake Nick a cake as a little surprise because pretty much he's had a really stressful couple of weeks. He's been super busy with work. He was also on this fancy science panel thing this morning that he was super nervous about. So I just thought coming home to a chocolate cake would definitely make his night. He's really obsessed with hundreds and thousands. Like his favorite chocolate is those little freckles that have the hundreds and thousands on them. So I thought I'd just make him like a really big hundreds and thousands chocolate cake. So pretty much just like one big freckle, I guess. I don't really have that much time, so I did buy one of these little pre-made cake mix things. I'm embarrassed that I bought one of these. I actually don't think I've made a cake using a batter thing for like 10 years. So hopefully it tastes good. I don't even remember how these taste, but I just thought it would save me some time, so that's what we're doing. I just assumed that Nick would have a round cake tin, but he doesn't. My options are to make cupcakes or a square cake, which I usually use to make brownies or roast vegetables in this. I feel like the cake really does need to be round. Maybe I'll just quickly go to the supermarket and see if I can buy one from the supermarket. Maybe I'll just make it square. I think a square cake will still taste pretty good. Yeah, okay, that's it. We're gonna make a square cake. I don't actually have an electric mixer because obviously I don't have an electric mixer, so I'm just gonna use this instead to mix the cake together. Hopefully it works. It actually smells really good so far. All I've done is put the batter in. You guys probably want to see what I'm actually doing, right? So I'm just gonna bring this a bit down. I feel like this looks pretty well mixed. How long do I need to wait to put the frosting on? It doesn't say. I'm just gonna go for like a more is more vibe with the sprinkles. So here is the final result. This is definitely not the best cake that I've ever made. In fact, this might even be one of the worst cakes I've ever made. Nonetheless, I know that Nick is gonna love it. So yeah, there we go, the finished product.